So, looking at these buildings and some other ones we've done together, and knowing what all we did, and there's many more things what I could say in this 1 hour, I don't really know, and maybe I don't even care how green they are. Making a building green does actually not mean it's going to be good architecture. As I said before, accounting systems like LEEDs or a catalog of the systems I described, which can be put in any building, they really won't do. It's interesting that obviously most of these projects were in Europe, or they are in the Mideast, or where energy costs have been historically high, or where clients really have the mindset to do something which hasn't been done before. In addition to that, there's this element in Europe, which is on the positive side for the architect, that the users demand those conditions, and there's rules for works and living spaces which favor maximizing daylight and natural ventilation. Now, in the United States, as we all know, green and sustainability is now used a lot more, because people have figured out that this is a marketing commodity, that you can actually sell, especially apartments more or office space more. And I don't think this is a bad thing. I'm not criticizing it, and I think it's very important that this happen. But I think we got to still take the next step, where we actually believe in this. And I think we also talking about energy, that we should be all aware that the amount of energy which is used is kind of less significant than its source. We know making energy can be very detrimental in terms of CO2 requirement, generation, and I think everybody is aware that many people already talk about the comeback maybe nuclear power is going to make, because it's a lot easier to do it with it. And the biggest energy wastage is actually in existing structures, and they by far outweigh what we can actually do, designing a couple of those really landmark buildings. And we all know that, and especially in times of the year like this, when these buildings don't know what they should do. They heat and they cool, and you got the windows open, and they waste. I mean, you got to be building 100 Hearst towers, and it's before in New York you get to this. Just look out here, and so post-occupancy evaluation I mentioned before is something which is really lacking, and